So we currently live in the house that my father-in-law built, and it was a labor of love that took a lot of years.
The client's father actually built this house. The flooring has been there for over 60 years.
Way back when he was 5, my husband can remember mixing cement and carrying it because the house is made of stone. But what was particularly concerning was we have a kitchen floor that is really rare. It's a gift.
They've got a beautiful design with stone that has been brought in from all over the place.
It's always going to be a wonderful memory of Dad. So in the center of it is a stone grinding wheel that he split in half, and he inlaid stone so that it's a perfectly due north compass.
It is definitely one of the hallmarks of this house.
With our sewage line, it goes right under that kitchen floor, and we were very, very concerned that we were going to have to tear that up. That would have been pretty tough because this place means a lot to a lot of people. I reached out and they came out very quickly and used beautiful, quick equipment, put a camera right down, could see exactly where the problems were, took a video, and made very clear that it would be something that could be fixed from the inside out, which is what Trenchless Today does.
It's a credit to what we can do to save people's floors with something that's been in the family for over 60 years, the convenience of it, and it's economically better all around.
It's all about family, and it's all about the stonework and the history and the memories that have been made in this house and on this land. And Trenchless Today has helped us preserve that. So we're very grateful.